So, have you ever been rejected and cried about it, felt sad? I think if we ask this question, about say 99.9% of people would have faced rejection at some point in time in their life and felt broken, disheartened, and all negative. But what I believe that rejection is not that negative aspect of life as we think it is. Surprised? Hi, my name is Ruchi Chauhan. I am a development professional and a life coach. Today, we'll be talking about how we can transform our perspective about rejection. So, how do we transform rejection and stop feeling negative about it and move forward? First, let's accept that we have been rejected. Once we accept, I think the road becomes lighter and easier because accepting something which is against our wish and will is the most difficult part. The moment we accept, we give power to ourselves to move on. So I'm not asking you that you accept and gear up to move on, but accept to take a step to feel light. That is, if you want to cry over the rejection, please do so. Take a pause, cry over it, or do whatever you do when you feel sad. Go to your shell, spend some time with yourself, or spend some time with a friend and talk it out. Once you feel a little light and you think that you're ready, then we take the final step. That is the third step. We would sit and analyze what went wrong where. It could be a silliest of the thing or a major thing. And what are the ways in which we can improvise on it? The moment we understand what is that went wrong, we can certainly accept and try to improvise on it. At first, it would be very discomforting because something which is out of our comfort zone or something which we don't do often makes us feel uncomfortable. And many of us stop taking that next step because either we go lazy or we are so scared that we get rejected. So, my dear friend, it becomes a vicious cycle. And to break that vicious cycle, we need to take one step. As someone very senior said, that somebody who steps out of their comfort zone not only explore a new side but challenge their weaknesses, but can one day actually become master of their destiny. So, are you ready, geared up to become the master of your destiny? Please do like, share, or comment whatever you think. I'll be eagerly waiting for your feedback. And if any of you try this three-step strategy, please let me know if it has worked for you because it is tried and tested. I many a times applied it on myself. And believe you me, I could actually break through many things in my life. Thank you so much. Bye bye.